Lesson: Tools and Techniques for AI System Monitoring. Effective monitoring and maintenance of artificial intelligence systems are crucial for ensuring their optimal performance, reliability, and security. The complexity of AI systems, characterized by their dynamic nature and the vast amounts of data they process, necessitates robust monitoring tools and techniques. Professionals aiming for the CompTIA AI SysOp certification must be well-versed in these tools and techniques, which provide actionable insights and enhance system proficiency. This lesson delves into the practical tools, frameworks, and methods for monitoring AI systems, offering step-by-step applications to address real-world challenges. Central to AI system monitoring is the deployment of specialized tools that allow for real-time observation and analysis of system performance. Prometheus, an open-source monitoring and alerting toolkit, is a prime example. It collects metrics from configured targets at specified intervals, evaluates rule expressions, and displays results. Prometheus's ability to handle multidimensional data makes it particularly suited for AI applications, which require intricate monitoring of numerous variables. By leveraging Prometheus, AI professionals can implement alerting mechanisms to notify teams of performance anomalies, enabling rapid response and mitigation. Complementing Prometheus is Grafana, a powerful visualization tool that integrates seamlessly with Prometheus, providing intuitive dashboards for data representation. Grafana enables AI teams to create custom dashboards that visualize system metrics, offering insights into system health and performance trends. For instance, an AI system deployed in a retail environment can utilize Grafana to monitor customer interaction metrics, allowing businesses to optimize their AI-driven recommendation engines. By harnessing the capabilities of Prometheus and Grafana, AI professionals can establish a comprehensive monitoring infrastructure that facilitates proactive maintenance and enhances system reliability. Beyond these tools, the integration of AI-specific monitoring frameworks is essential for addressing the unique challenges posed by AI systems. TensorBoard, part of the TensorFlow ecosystem, serves as a vital framework for visualizing the training process of machine learning models. TensorBoard provides insights into model performance metrics such as loss and accuracy, as well as visualizations of computational graphs and embeddings. By employing TensorBoard, AI practitioners can identify potential bottlenecks and optimize model training, ensuring efficient resource utilization and improved model performance. In addition to tools and frameworks, effective AI system monitoring requires the implementation of best practices that align with the system's operational objectives. Establishing baseline performance metrics is a critical first step, allowing teams to define acceptable performance thresholds and identify deviations promptly. Techniques such as A/B testing can be employed to compare different system configurations or algorithms, providing empirical evidence of performance improvements. For example, an online retailer deploying an AI-driven recommendation system might conduct A/B tests to evaluate the impact of different recommendation algorithms on user engagement and sales. By systematically testing and refining system components, AI professionals can drive continuous improvement and align system performance with business goals. An often overlooked aspect of AI system monitoring is the ethical consideration of bias detection and mitigation. AI systems, particularly those based on machine learning models, are susceptible to biases inherent in training data. Monitoring frameworks such as fairness indicators, developed by Google, enable teams to assess and visualize the fairness of AI models across different demographic groups. Fairness indicators provide metrics that highlight disparities in model performance, empowering organizations to take corrective actions and ensure equitable outcomes. By integrating fairness monitoring into their workflows, AI professionals can uphold ethical standards and build trust in AI systems. Real-world case studies provide valuable insights into the practical application and impact of AI system monitoring tools and techniques. A notable example is Netflix's use of chaos engineering to enhance the resilience of its AI-driven recommendation system. Chaos engineering involves deliberately injecting failures into a system to test its ability to withstand and recover from unexpected disruptions. Netflix's implementation of Chaos Monkey, a tool that randomly terminates instances in their production environment, has enabled the team to identify vulnerabilities and improve system robustness. By adopting similar practices, AI professionals can bolster system resilience, ensuring uninterrupted service delivery and customer satisfaction. Furthermore, the dynamic nature of AI systems necessitates continuous monitoring and adaptation to evolving conditions. The use of automated monitoring pipelines, enabled by tools such as Kubeflow, facilitates the deployment and operation of machine learning models at scale. Kubeflow allows teams to automate the deployment, scaling, and monitoring of models, streamlining the management of complex AI systems. By integrating Kubeflow into their operations, AI professionals can achieve greater efficiency and consistency, minimizing manual intervention and reducing the risk of human error. A comprehensive AI system monitoring strategy also involves the application of predictive analytics to anticipate potential issues before they manifest. Techniques such as anomaly detection and predictive maintenance leverage historical data to identify patterns indicative of future failures. For instance, in the manufacturing sector, predictive maintenance powered by AI can forecast equipment failures, enabling preemptive repairs and minimizing downtime. By incorporating predictive analytics into their monitoring frameworks, AI professionals can transition from reactive to proactive maintenance, optimizing system availability and performance. To effectively monitor and maintain AI systems, professionals must cultivate a culture of continuous learning and improvement. This involves staying abreast of the latest advancements in AI monitoring tools and techniques, as well as fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing within teams. Participating in industry conferences, engaging with online communities, and accessing educational resources are essential for keeping pace with the rapidly evolving AI landscape. By committing to continuous professional development, AI practitioners can enhance their expertise and drive innovation in AI system monitoring. In conclusion, the monitoring and maintenance of AI systems is a multifaceted endeavor that demands a strategic combination of tools, frameworks, and best practices. By leveraging tools such as Prometheus, Grafana, TensorBoard, and Kubeflow, AI professionals can establish robust monitoring infrastructures that provide actionable insights and facilitate proactive maintenance. The ethical consideration of bias detection, exemplified by frameworks like fairness indicators, ensures that AI systems deliver fair and equitable outcomes. Real-world case studies, such as Netflix's use of chaos engineering, demonstrate the effectiveness of innovative monitoring practices in enhancing system resilience. By embracing predictive analytics and fostering a culture of continuous learning, AI practitioners can optimize system performance and navigate the challenges of monitoring AI systems in an ever-evolving landscape.